Hello, this is Wesley with Ambit Energy, Executive Consultant. Today we're going to go over, as quick as I can, the free energy program offered by Ambit Energy. This is offered to all customers, no charge, and again, there is no charge to be an Ambit Energy customer. So, once you become an Ambit Energy customer, you have the opportunity to earn free energy. 15 referred customers, Ambit will average their bill and take it off of yours. So if the average of that 15 is $50, then that's going to be credited to your bill, and that's every month. So that's the program. Now I want to show you here how easy it is for a customer to refer other customers. Every customer gets a free website from Ambit Energy, and how you can use that website to get the message to others is this way. First of all, you would go to ambitenergy.com and you would click on the customer login or pay bill button as we just did, and if your site was not already registered, of course you could click on register now and you would want to put your account number in and validate your account. We're not going to do that here. We're going to assume that's already been done, and we're going to log into an account and go, and when you come into your account, this is what it looks like here. Now, notice that down at the bottom there's a refer a friend link. You would go ahead and click on that, and that would take us to this page where we would have the option to refer some people here. This customer has already referred some people and actually has some customers towards their free energy credit. So you would go down here and click on send more invitations, and that would open up this page. It leaves you some fields to enter people's names and emails, and then hit send invitations. You can also receive a copy of this email to yourself as you have an email address on file with your account, and then your friends or whoever you sent this email to will receive the email. Now let's take a look at what they receive so you'll know. Here's this email that they sent, and you'll notice that at the very beginning, I can earn free energy, you can too. So your customer, any customer that you refer, of course they have the same option, but at the very least they will save or pay less. So down here you'll notice the customer referral website link. That is, if you're the customer, that's your referral site, and when they click on that link, that will take them to your customer site. Now, again, remember, there's no charge to become a customer, and of course there's no charge for this free energy referral program. You're saving, and then you're offering that savings to your friends and family members. So when they reach your site, they simply put in their zip code and start the process. Or if they have any questions, they can certainly call a local consultant, one perhaps you know, and get any questions answered. Then they would just click right through here. This is about a 3 to 4 minute process to sign up, and that's about it. Now to recap, once again, 15 customers referred, the average of their bill will be taken off the customer who referred those 15. So there you have it. Thank you for listening. Take care.